Hi, folks. You caught me off guard on that one. Hope you're all doing well. And week one was a fast week, but we got through it. You got a flavor of the course, of what the field based experience might be like. And we're traveling into week two already. So, to begin the week, I'll just say we're going to be talking a lot about data, but I'm going to back up a little bit too. So, last week you understood that you have a log and a journal, which are combined, that you need to do every single week. You only submit it during certain times, though. Then you're going to be working on an e portfolio, and five of the pieces that go into the e portfolio, if not more, you're going to be doing in class anyways. So, in addition to the e-portfolio, you can take pictures. You can, put data information in there that you've gleaned throughout the internship or the field-based experience. That'll help somebody know some of the work that you've been doing and share some of those rich leadership skills that you're working on and through your whole course actually. So let's get on again to week two. I'm extremely proud of the group that you are. You've got a lot of different and diverse projects that you're working on, so that's incredible, revealing to all of us because we get to see glimpses of other people's lives, other people's schools, districts, and leadership skills. So good. Okay, back to data. You have readings to do, and you have some viewings. And one of the viewings is one of my favorites. It's actually a principal talking about data. So we'll use that forum in the discussion board. And when you get to the discussion board, please remember it's critical that you need to use APA style. So what does that mean? So whatever you're typing or talking about in your journal response, make sure that you cite the source in your entry itself. And then at the end of the response, you have a reference. And then under the reference, you write whatever your reference or references are. And that's how you get full points for your response. That's in your initial response. And I know some of you have courses before, but I really like to share this right up front because sometimes there's a discrepancy in what you need to do and what's being done. So the other two responses you do not have to use APA style. They're collegial responses. So you're sharing thoughts and ideas and questions with some of your other colleagues. Okay. So then let's get to what you need. Obviously, you do hours and you work on your internships as well as your jobs and everything else you do in life. And believe me, I understand that you're multitasking and multitasking right now. So at the end of the week two, you submit your journal/log. How long does your journal have to be? That's always a good question. It doesn't have to be immensely long because remember, you're kind of you are reflecting on what you've done during the week. You make some notes to yourself about what it is. And I look at that. I'm the only one that looks at that. It's private between you and I, very confidential. And I give you feedback on that. And the hours are logged because we have requirements of how many hours that we have to do. So then you have documentation in a way of what you've done through your log in your journal/log. So that's a part that you need to submit at the end of this week, but you complete it every single week, but don't submit it every single week. Okay. And then what else do we have? You have your group discussion. Oh, posting on Wednesday. I just want to say that again. Initial discussion is Wednesday. The only thing I ask, and if you've had me before, I'm very flexible. I'm very understanding. But if you are going to be late on a posting or a submission, assignment, just let me know, please. Just let me know. Tell me the circumstances, and I understand. If you don't let me know, I will need to take points off. And if the IDS people go into the assignment, the grade book, they'll see that you're late, and they're going to give you a call or an email too. So just let me know. Okay. Thanks for understanding on that one too. I think that's about it this week. Make sure that you take care of yourselves during the field-based experience because many of you are in your school and working in another place. It's a great learning experience, but you need to take care of yourself because this is where you can really get run down, frazzled, whatever, and your health is very important. So, you have any questions? Call me at 207-284-3680 or text me or cmarcotte@une.edu is the best way to get me because my phone is by my side all the time. And one more thing, I do not use Ask the Instructor. I put it way down to the bottom of our discussion board um, because I believe that I'm a good communicator and want to be a good communicator. And in that way, you have to go online and look at Ask the Instructor, and I'm not online on the course all the time.